Once the bus hits the road, passengers in this bus do not recline in their seats. Something different fires up. They start moving around, taking out their notes, putting together papers, switching on laptops, and changing seats to form groups. Coming closer with their team members. The bus moves through small settlements and towns, between mountains and over plains. Because of this constant movement, those inside see a different landscape whenever they look out at the window. Nothing stands still in this journey. Everything moves, all the time, from sunrise to sunset. Even check-in and check-out becoming a part of the daily routine, as we never sleep twice anywhere. We don't go to the same restaurants. And the bus continues deeper into the country. When they close their eyes, things start passing by like a movie strip. Cold boxes, packaging, loading patterns, pharmaceuticals, vaccines, presentations, shake test, cold rooms, VVMs, wholesalers, discussions, pharmacies, health centers, vaccine stores, distribution centers, hospitals, freeze indicators, data loggers, quality agreements, warm-ups, daily agendas, refrigerators, arrivals, good distribution practices, questions and answers, daily evaluations, but also places and a different culture. Singing, dancing, joking, laughing, sharing experiences, networking. This continues until the bus reaches a planned rest area. Not to be mistaken for a bathroom and coffee stop. This stop is for discussing and finalizing their presentations. Mentors arrange a setting suitable to the group's needs. In minutes, the restaurant in the rest area transforms into an open classroom with no walls. And a hot debate begins on the cold chain subject.
Because if anything happens for those who be there.
Pharmaceutical Cold Chain Management on Wheels is a training course aimed at developing skills to critically evaluate a pharmaceutical cold chain system and improving associated supervisory skills. The course encourages participants to make direct observations at the storage and health facilities that they visit while physically traveling down the length of the cold chain. This competency-based training approach is designed to offer participants insights into the theoretical background of pharmaceutical cold chain management, combined with real-life, hands-on observations at a variety of storage and healthcare facilities.
Good morning. Did you hear me? We will visit the Kartoglu University Pharma store. After that, at 11:30, we will depart from Ankara to Konya. Pharmaceutical Cold Chain Management on Wheels is a new World Health Organization and Parenteral Drug Association training course offered in association with Tıp Kurumu from Turkey. This course brings together many stakeholders, building an alignment of interest among a variety of partners.
Members of the pharmaceutical supply chain have various global requirements to meet throughout the storage, transport, and handling of temperature-sensitive products. Changing product portfolios required good storage and distribution practices, regulatory trends, quality management, and risk assessment factors bring many challenges to pharmaceutical cold chain management. The WHO and PDA's purpose in sponsoring the course is to provide key players of the pharmaceutical cold chain with insights into complete cold chain operation, from product arrival to its administration to the patient. This is done by bringing together a group of participants from the pharmaceutical, biopharmaceutical, vaccine industry in the supply, packaging, distribution, logistics, and cold chain management areas. This is done through targeting active cooling, passive cooling, temperature monitoring, and track and trace equipment and device manufacturers, the regulatory sector, as well as public sector program representatives.
The group were very well balanced, and we are able to meet people from different brains of the cold chain to exchange decisions. And also the program was very well balanced, and we are able to follow the product to the whole trip.
Such a rich variety of actors contributes greatly to one of the major objectives of the course: sharing experiences, learning from each other, and networking. When we speak of skills, the WHO and PDA are aware that you have to bring all involved elements into the classroom to be more effective in training. But what if you cannot bring things into the classroom? This is why the WHO and PDA take participants to where the action is, to the field reality.
Let's see how we go.
Before the bus starts moving, participants learn more about each other through various team-building activities.
You too?
Mentors review their expectations and course objectives, reaching a verbal agreement that nothing remains unanswered.
Temperature, devices, tools to help.
Excursions, transportation from the manufacturer to wholesalers, WHO guidelines.
Questionnaires are used not to challenge participants, but to understand areas that mentors should focus on during discussions.
Raise your hand if you have the correct answer, which is false. 13.
Thank you. If I'm gonna wear my quality assurance hat, show me the data.
We can discuss anything, not even written here, on the bus. This is the beauty of this course, that almost we live together. Most of the times we will be on the road.
The 3 mentors will always be available to help you.
Let's follow up. Here's how we can help this country. This would be
3 mentors make themselves available throughout the course. They assist participants during assignments, facilitate discussions following presentations, and guide the group towards sound conclusions.
But let's say mine was plus minus 0.5. Say plus minus 1.
The manipulation.
The
The date? The lot number?
The most important thing is that in this course there are no lectures who speak all the time and you stay listening, but we observe and then all the conclusions comes out from our discussions, which is very important because the discussions comes from different countries, different experiences. They have VVM, it's okay, we check the expiry date.
A course where we, the mentors, teach less, but participants learn more.
Throughout the course, guided observation exercises take place at the visited facilities. Participants interview and interact with local staff.
We also need to understand to get the final steps correct. This is about transportation administering. This course, I think, gives a very unique opportunity to learn about this and walk in the shoes of the people, the nurses, the medical doctors, the patients in the field.
Group discussions take place in the bus, in restaurants, cafes, and in the open air en route to the facilities.
The countryside, the scenery, the stops, the breaks, the chatting to all the people from all parts of the world really made this trip a memorable one for me. I would definitely recommend this to my colleagues.
Once the bus hits the road again, something different starts happening. This vibration that everybody feels brings participants together to share, interact, and learn.